County Police.
Huh?
Corp County Police. We saw you sleeping in here, man.
What?
So make sure you're all right, man.
My mom live right here.
You're sleeping with the car and drive.
Bro, my mom live right here. Why are you walking up like...
You don't need to scream, man. We're just trying to help you out.
I'm okay. My mom live right here.
We're just out here, man, looking for stolen cars. We see you sleeping and you got weed sitting right there.
There's weed all over, man.
Make sure you're all right.
Bro, I'm not... My car not stolen.
Nobody said it was. We just said that's why we're out here.
That's why we're out here. We're looking for stolen cars.
Alright, well, my mom live right here.
I'm gonna just pull them out real quick.
No problem.
Pop out for me real quick, man.
Dude, don't just cooperate. Okay, this is not very easy.
If it's just weed, we don't give a shit.
Don't reach, man. Just hop up real quick.
That's all it is.
Okay. Do me a favor. Just hop out for me, man.
I found my button. Just relax.
Yo. Yo. Here, I'll keep back here. Myself, we're out with a suspicious vehicle, Rosemont Avenue, East 27. Just give us a 100 per second. Stop the fucking car! Don't fucking do it! Don't do it! Do it! Don't do it! Shots fired. Stop! Stop! Stop!
We'll be on Rosemont. It's dead end here.
County Police, don't move. Don't move.
What's up? You're sleeping. We're trying to talk to you. Rod?
Yeah, what's up, Corporate County Police?
Huh?
We saw Corporate County Police. We saw you sleeping in here, man.
My mom.
Right, man.
My mom live right here.
All right, relax.
Making sure you're all right,
We're
man.
just talking to you.
Bro, my mom live right here. Why are you walking up like...
Just relax, all right?
I'm okay. My mom live right here.
All right, well, we're just out here, man, looking for stolen cars. We see you sleeping and you got weed sitting right there. We thought we'd make time to make sure you're all right.
Bro, I'm not... My car not stolen.
Nobody said it was. We just said that's
We're
why
out there
we're
looking.
here.
That's why we're out here. We're looking for stolen cars.
All right,
Okay?
bro. My mom live right here.
No problem.
Why?
Dude, don't resist. Just cooperate. Okay, this is gonna be very easy. Just cooperate.
If it's just weed, we don't give a shit about weed.
That's all it is.
Okay, if that's all it is, that's all
No
it
worries, man. Hop out, my buddy. Dude, just relax. Whoa, don't leave.
is. Don't do it.
Dude, don't leave it. Don't leave. Don't leave, motherfucker. Fleeing from us, backing up. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Don't fucking do it! Don't do it!
Do it!
Don't do it!
Stop! Stop!
Fire.
Stop!
We'll be on Rosemont. It's dead end here.